Hello, hi friends. So I'm back with the part 2 video of the dental cements in dental material topic. Previously we had discussed about a few points regarding the zinc phosphate. So that's a part 2 of that series. So today I'm gonna start up with the zinc phosphate and especially focusing onto its setting time. So let's begin with our topic. So the setting time of the zinc phosphate, we can increase it and we can decrease it depending upon the certain conditions. And in the previous years, some of the MCQs have come from this topic. So do give a good reading to this thing. All right. So if we increase the sintering temperature of the powder, the setting time can be increased. All right. And the buffering agents also affect the setting time of the zinc phosphate. If there is presence of insufficient amount of water, as well as if we slowly incorporate the powder into the liquid, the setting time can be increased. Okay, so this is an important point to be noted down, that slow incorporation of powder into the liquid, that increases the setting time of zinc phosphate. Also, if we have a long mixing time of the constituents of the zinc phosphate, it will also enhance the setting time. So the various factors influencing the setting time are the sintering temperature, presence of the buffering agents, the insufficient water, and the incorporation of the speed of incorporation of powder into liquid, and the mixing time. Now coming on to the next section, that is how we can decrease the setting time of the zinc phosphate. So the points are, if we use the fine powder particle and if there is presence of enough amount of water, what it gonna do is it gonna cause the increased dissociation of the acid plus increased reaction rate of the acid, and thus the setting time is decreased. If we increase the temperature of the glass slab onto which we're going to mix the zinc phosphate powder and the liquid, the setting time can also be decreased along with the increased powder liquid ratio. And if there is moisture contamination, that also affects the setting time of the zinc phosphate. Alright, so these are the important points. So kindly note these down. Okay, so moving on to the other section. So what is the best method to control the setting time out of these points? So that is cool the mixing slab, an important point to be noted down. Then there is some technique called the frozen slab technique that is used in the case of zinc phosphate cement. Okay, so in the frozen slab technique, we use a glass slab at a temperature of 6 degrees centigrade to minus 10 degrees centigrade is there. There will be a thin layer of moisture onto such slab that gonna prolong the mixing. On the cool slab. So in this case, more powder is required and there will be a strong initial set of the zinc phosphate cement. Okay, so the dew point would be less than 50, that needs to be less than 50 to 70%. So what are the advantages of the frozen slab technique? That is, this gonna improvise the mechanical property of the zinc phosphate cement. Also this gonna enhance the working time, which is very much essential for the proper mixing of the cement. Okay, so this thing is about frozen slab technique. Do it very nicely. Okay, now some other important points as well, that is the minimum compressive strength for the base that needs to be greater than 1.2 megapascals, and some other important MCQ based points. So kindly note this down. So that's all for today, and soon we'll be coming up with another video.